54 new COVID-19 positive cases were reported in Goa on 20th February 2021. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services, 45 patients have recovered. Total active cases in the states are 606. Total deaths reported are 795. One COVID death reported today. Total samples tested today are 1,224. Positivity rate is 4.41%. Breakup of total 606 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa, CSC Bicholim 6, CSC Sake 8, CSC Pernam 5, CSC Valpai 1, USC Mapsa 41, USC Panji 47, PSC Aldona 12, PSC Betki 7, PSC Kandolim 41, PSC Kansarvarnam 2, PSC Kovai 1, PSC Kolim 11, PSC Chimbal 45, PSC Shuolim 18, PSC Purwarim 32, PSC Mayam 3. Travelers by road flight train 0. South Goa, CSC Kurchorim 18, CSC Kankana 14, USC Markau 85, USC Vasco 28, PSC Bali 7, PSC Kansaulim 17, PSC Chinchinim 23, PSC Kortalim 24, PSC Kurtorim 10, PSC Lutolim 24, PSC Marsam 4, PSC Kapam 17, PSC Sangam 3, PSC Shiroda 3, PSC Darbandara 15, PSC Ponda 32, PSC Navilim 2. Bed capacity in COVID care center are as follows. District North, total capacity 275, current vacancy 275. District South, total capacity 60, current vacancy 57. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.